Welcome to science class. In the last class we already learnt about the living things. Now we are going to learn about non-living things. What do you mean by non-living things? Non-living means they don't have life in them. The things which do not have life in them, which do not have life in them are called non-living things. Are called non-living things. What do you mean by non-living things? The things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. They do not have life in them. That's why they cannot move, they cannot breathe, they do not need food, and they cannot reproduce. Examples of non-living things are mountains, computer, table. All these comes under non-living things. Now next, let us see the differences between living things and non-living things. Living things move. They have life in them. That's why they can move from one place to another. First one is living things move. Living things move. Non-living things do not move. They do not move. Second one, living things breathe. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not need food. Here, living things feel. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Do not feel. Living things reproduce. What do you mean by reproduce? Giving birth to the new ones. Living things reproduce. Living things reproduce. Reproduce. Here, non-living things do not reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Do not reproduce. Living things have lifespan. They will die. Living things die. Living things die. Non-living things do not die. Non-living things do not die. Do not die. These are the differences between living things and non-living things. Living things move, non-living things do not move. Living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food, non-living things do not need food. Living things feel, non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not reproduce. Living things die, but non-living things do not die. Children, our next topic is natural things. What do you mean by natural things? Tell me. The things which are created by nature are called natural things. The things which are created by nature are called natural things. Natural things. The things which are created by nature are called natural things. Children, tell me some examples of natural things. Yes, examples are rivers. Tell me some names of rivers. Ganga, Krishna, Yamuna, all these are names of rivers. And animals. Tell me some names of animals, children. Dog, cat, buffalo, cow, all these comes under animals. And sun, stars, plants, all these are created by nature. What the sun gives us? Sun gives us light. And where the stars are? Stars are in the sky. And tell me some names of the plants, children. Neem tree, mango tree, banyan tree, all these comes under plants. And now let us discuss about, now our next topic is man-made things. Man-made things. By the name itself we can understand, children, the things which are made by man. The things which are made by man are called man-made things. The things which are made by man are called man-made things. Man-made things. What do you mean by man-made things? The things which are made by man are called man-made things. Tell me some examples of the things which are made by man. Yes, aeroplane, car, computer, roads, all these are made by man-made thing. Example, aeroplane, car, computer, roads. Children, look here, observe here, aeroplane, car, computer, roads, all these are non-living things. Okay, the things made by man are called, all the things made by man are non-living things. These all are non-living things. Children, look here in natural things. Animals, plants, these are animals, plants, these are living things. Rivers, sun, stars, all these are non-living things. The things created by nature, the things in these maybe living and non-living. Here living things and non-living things both are included. Living things and non-living things. Whereas in man-made things, all the things made by man are non-living things. The things created by nature are called natural things, and here both living things and non-living things are included. Let us summarize this lesson. Living things, the things which have life in them are called living things. Features of living things are: living things move, living things breathe, living things need food, living things reproduce, and living things die. Non-living things. Coming to non-living things. The things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. Examples: aeroplanes, cars, computers, all these are non-living things. And the third one is natural things. The things which are created by nature are called natural things. Examples: plants, animals, mountains, rivers, sun, moon, stars, all these are natural things. And coming to man-made things, the things which are made by man are called man-made things. Examples: roads, cars, aeroplanes, computers, all these are made by man. Okay children, read this lesson once. Okay, thank you. Children, turn to page 115. Let us do some exercises here. First, A bit. Write true or false. You should say whether the statement is true or false. All natural things are living. All the natural things are living? No, all the natural things are not living. There are some non-living things also there. All natural things are living. It is true or false? False. Second one, non-living things need food. Do the non-living things need food? No, only living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. False. Living things need food. Yes, living things, all the living things need food to live and to grow. True. Things which have life in them are called living things. Things which have life in them are called living things. True. Living things have a sense of touch. Yes, all the living things feel. True. Now coming to the second one, B. Fill in the blanks. You should fill these blanks. We breathe through. How we breathe? We breathe through lungs. Lungs. A kitten grows into a cat. A tadpole grows into a frog. Frog. Plants breathe through. How the plants breathe? Plants breathe through stomata. Stomata. And C bit. You should match the following. All man-made things are living things or non-living things? All man-made things are non-living things. Non-living things. B. You should write here B. Human beings, plants and animals we have life now. Human beings have life, plants have life and animals have life. So we are called living things. Yes, A. You should write here A. We feel pain. When we feel pain? When anybody pricks us, we feel pain. If someone pricks us, we feel pain. All living things need what we need to live and to grow. We need, all the living things need food. C. The next exercise is multiple choice questions. They will give some options and you should select the correct option from these options. Which of the following is a man-made thing? Which is a man-made thing here? River, rock, computer, none of the above. Which one is the man-made thing here? River and rock are the natural things, whereas computer is a man-made thing. Tick here. Tick for C, computer. Which of the following is a natural thing? Plant, television, road, none of the above. Television is a man-made thing. Road is a man-made thing. Plant is a natural thing. Tick here. Plant. Living things. Living things grow. Living things breathe. Living things do not reproduce both A and B. What? Living things grow and living things breathe. Both A and B. Tick here. Both A and B. What is the feature of non-living things? They do not need food. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not reproduce. Non-living things, they do not die. All of the above. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not reproduce. Non-living things do not die. All of the above. They have all these characters. All of the above. A kitten grows into a butterfly, moth, mosquito, cat. What? A kitten grows into a cat. Cat is the right answer. Children, read the lesson and learn all these exercises. Okay? Thank you.